Hello, my name is Andrew and I love to make monsters. In today's video, I'm going to be making a new Wonky Weirdling. Now, longtime viewers of the channel might remember these guys. They first made an appearance about 7 years ago. In fact, I had to go back to my original video to see how I even made them. Thankfully, past Andrew had pretty good instructions for present Andrew. Now, I wouldn't necessarily recommend watching this video. It's pretty cringe. I don't know if that's the right word. Isn't that what the kids are saying? Cringe? I don't find it as quite as interesting as some of my newer content. Maybe I wasn't as comfortable in front of the camera. Maybe I wasn't as interesting. Maybe I'm full of it and I'm not very interesting now. I don't know. It gave me a little reminder that I used 1 sheet of this aluminum foil and then about an ounce of clay. And then I also did glow-in-the-dark eyes, which I remembered, because I remembered all their eyes glowed. For this new Wonky Weirdling, I decided to make him purple mixed with frost white. I wanted to have kind of a swirl effect, but not too defined. Covered the foil ball completely. Then I did some indentions for the eyes using my ball tool. And I wanted to give him a little bit of an overbite with a couple of little buck teeth. So I searched through my pre-baked teeth. These are all ones I've sculpted in the past, baked them up, threw them in this container so I'd have them for occasions like this. While I'm making the mouth, I wanted to give a special thanks to my Patreon backers, Kirsten, Heather, Jacob, Jeff, Delaney, Brandy, and Ani. Thank you so much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. You can check out my Patreon. There's a link down below. Get those teeth inserted. Cover them up with a little bit of a lip. This cute little mouth done. I'm going to go ahead and make some ears. I looked back at my Wonky Weirdlings I have on Instagram. I didn't do videos of all of them. I think I only did videos of the first 3. So I just took pictures of the other ones and put them on Instagram. And I looked back and I didn't see any that I did ears on. So I thought it'd be fun to make these just a little bit different. Maybe a little more, I don't want to say advanced, but a little more to them. Smoothing it in so it stays nice and attached to his head. Now I'm going to switch over to the glow-in-the-dark clay for the eyes. I want to make sure I don't get any color transfer from the purple clay, so I'm going to wash my hands before I start with the glow-in-the-dark clay. And I'm just rolling up 2 balls of glow-in-the-dark clay, inserting them into those eye sockets that I did. And then I'll add a black pupil to each eye. One last thing before I bake this guy is I poke a little hole in the back side. Nope, not there, you weirdo. I just poke a little hole so it lets any trapped air out so I don't get any distortion of air expanding while it bakes. And let it bake according to package instructions. Once it's cooled down, I'm going to add a gloss coat with some Sculpey Gloss glaze. I didn't do this on the previous ones, but again, I wanted to kind of step it up, I guess is the best way to put it, with these new Wonky Weirdlings that I'm going to be doing. Yes, this isn't going to be the only one, at least hopefully not, unless my mind totally gets derailed with some other project idea. So I'm glossing the eyes, and I decided to gloss the little twofers. I'm going to go ahead and let him dry overnight, and let's take a look at the finished Wonky Weirdling. This is the first one in over 7 years, or about 7 years. I don't know. I can't remember the exact date. I know I looked at it and it's 2019. So we're just going to say the first one in 7 years, which I think is pretty crazy. you know, it's weird because you do something and you spend all this time on it and then you move on to something else and you kind of forget about it. And I don't want to do that again with these guys because they're a lot of fun. All right, enough rambling. I hope you enjoyed this guy. If you did, please give this video a like. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Thanks for watching, and remember, never stop creating. Bye.